Now we are going to learn fourth sum. Arrange shirts in descending order. Arrange shirts in descending order. Third root of 5, comma, ninth root of 4, comma, sixth root of 3. First, the given like this means we should convert this one into a like shirt. This is unlike shirts because see the order, it's not a same order, right? So first convert the same order and then we can find easily in a descending order. Okay, ma. Before finding that, you just find the LCM. 3, 9 and 6. 3, 9 and 6. You just find out the LCM here. In 3 table, this is 1, 3 time, 2 time. In 2 table, 1, 3, 1. And again in 3 table, this is 1, 1, 1. So now LCM you know very well, right? LCM is here, what ma? 3 into 2 into 3. So 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. This is the LCM. 18 is the LCM. So first you just see here, write solution here. First you are going to convert this one into a 18. So you just see 3 into what number if you are multiplying you will get 18. In 3 table what number you are multiplying you will get 18 ma. 3 6 are. If you are multiplying with this 6 you should put here also, inside also you should put 6. எந்த நம்பர் இங்கே வெளியே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறோமோ அதே நம்பரை ரூட்குள்ளே நம்ம போடணும். இதை மட்டும் நீங்கள் மறக்காமல் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஓகே ஓகே நெக்ஸ்ட் கமா. In 9 table what number you are multiplying you will get an 18 ma. 2. So inside also you should put 2. 4 power 2. Okay. In here in 6 table which number you should multiply you will get 18 ma. 3 times, right? 6 3s are 18. So here also inside also you should put 3. Okay. First we completed. Now second step you just see 3 8s are 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18 root. Here 5 power 6 means what ma? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 6 times you are multiplying 5 you will get the answer 15,625. This is the answer for 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay ma, 15,625. Here you write 15,625. Comma. So here 9 2s are what ma? 18. So put square root. 4 4s are 16. Put comma. 6 3s are 18. So square root of 18 square root of 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Okay. So now you just see here index same order, right? Here also 18, here also 18, here also 18. Now easily we can find descending order. Descending means what ma? It is big to small. Big to small. Okay. So bigger number. Which is first bigger number here? You just select that 18th root of 15,625 is the first biggest number. And then which is biggest here? 18th root of 27 is the biggest. And which is biggest? Next last one is 18th root of 16. Like this we should convert. Okay. Now see descending you write here. Descending order you write here. Descending order. Now இப்போ நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்ச இந்த ஆன்சரை நம்ம வந்து கொஷனில் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அதுதாம்மா நம்ம இங்கே எழுதணும். சரிங்களா? நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சதை எழுதக்கூடாது. இப்போ கவனிங்க. 18th root of 15,625 means it depends upon எதில் வருது 5 power 6. 5 power 6னா root third root of 5. First one is that. நம்ம என்ன கொஷனில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அதுதான் எழுதணும். This is first one. And then which is bigger ma? Which one is bigger? Next 18th root of 27 means 18th means it related with 3, right? So 6th root of 3. That is the second answer. And next third is 16. 16 means it related to 4. So 9th root of 4. This is the last one. ஓகேம்மா. கொஷினில் என்ன கொஷின் கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அதுவாகவே நம்ம லாஸ்ட்டில் எழுதணுமா டிசைனிங். ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டு நம்ம இதை மாற்றிட்டு அதுலேருந்து நம்ம இது எங்கேருந்து கொண்டு வந்தோமோ 5. இப்போ 5 இஸ் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட். அண்ட் தென் சி 27னா என்னம்மா வருது? 27னா 3. 3னா 6th root 3 is the biggest. And next 9 power 4. 9th root of 4. So like this you should write ma. Okay. Now second subdivision. See here they given. What is the second subdivision they given ma? Okay. So second root of third root of what they given 5, comma next one is third root of fourth root of 7, next square root of 3. They given like this ma. Okay, first they given like this. First we should use that radical property here. If 2 roots they given means we can multiply that. 2 3s are what ma? 2 3s are 6. 6th root 5. Here 3 4s are 12th root of 7. And then next ma. Here there is no number means here 2 is there, here 2 is there. So 2 2s are 4. 4th root of 3. Now you take normal LCM. 6 they given 12 here 4 6. So 6 12 4. Now take LCM in 2 table. This is 3 time 6 time 2 time. Again in 2 table 3 time 1 time. Again in 3 table this is 1 time 1 time 1 time. LCM ma. LCM 2 into 2 into 3. 2 3s are 2 2s are 4 4 3s are 12. Now your LCM is 12 ma. Here you know very well in 6 table if you are doing 6 table how many times ma 12? 2 times. So 2 inside also you should multiply with 2. Power liyo enna pannuma ninga 2 ullayum podanum. Okay. In 12 table how many times ma 12? It is 1 time. So 7 power 1. And then in 4 table how many times ma 12? So 3 times. 4 3s are 12. So உள்ளேயும் நம்ம பண்ணோம் ரூட்டுக்குள்ளேயும் 3 போடணும். இங்கே வெளியே எந்த நம்பரால் நீங்கள் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறீங்களோ அதே நம்பரை பவர்லேயும் நீங்கள் போடணும். ஏன்னா உங்களோட புக்கில் வந்து இது ஃப்ராக்ஷனல் இண்டெக்ஸாக மாற்றி அதுக்கப்புறம் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி கொண்டு வந்திருப்பாங்க. நம்ம எதுவுமே ஃப்ராக்ஷனல் இண்டெக்ஸாக மாற்றவே வேண்டாம் இங்கே. ஸோ வி கேன் புட் லைக் திஸ் இட் செல்ஃப். ஓகேவாம்மா, இப்படியே வச்சுக்கலாம். நம்ம இப்படியே வச்சுட்டு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், ரேடிக்கல்லையே வச்சு நம்ம வி கேன் டூ இட். ஓகேவாம்மா. ஸோ 6 2s are 12. இப்போ சொல்லுங்கள் 6 2s are 12th root of 5 5s are 25. Comma. So 12 1s are 12 root of 7. So 4 3s are 12 root of 3 3s are 9 9 3s are 27. Now descending order. You know very well. Descending means big to small. Here which is first one? 12th root of 27 is biggest, and next biggest is 12th root of 25, and next one is 12th root of 7. Okay, now we need to write it in the form of question, right? So write here descending order. First one is what ma? 12th root of 27. 12th root of 27 means it comes under 3, right? So here, which one ma? Square root of 3. That is the first descending order. First you write square root of 3. And next one, you see here 25. 12th root of 25. 25 means it comes under 5th, right? Here. So it is means what? 5th. So 2 second power of third power of 5. You write that second root of third root of 5. And last one is third root of fourth root of 7. You write that third root of fourth root of 7. This is the descending order ma. Okay. That's all, your answer over. We will see fifth sum in next video. Thank you ma.